You don't need to replace your infrastructure to reduce your energy bill. Discover a smarter, non-invasive pathway to guaranteed energy savings for UAE buildings and industrial facilities. Rising energy costs are actively eroding your bottom line. In the UAE, energy is a critical operational cost. Unchecked expenditure on climate control directly impacts your profitability. In fact, costs have risen 35% in just 5 years. The conventional solution is a high-stakes gamble. Until now, your only choices were multi-million dirham capital projects or simply accepting escalating inefficiency and profit loss. Efficiency isn't about replacement, it's about enhancement. Our approach is simple. Your existing infrastructure holds untapped potential. We don't rip and replace, we eliminate inefficiency at its source. Our patented technology integrates directly with your current air conditioning units. There are no major structural changes and no system downtime. We optimize your existing assets to ensure they operate at peak efficiency. Your predictable 3-step pathway starts with a thorough assessment of your expenditure. We then integrate SVIZONA technology with minimal disruption and verify the performance uplift immediately. The result? A guaranteed 20% reduction in energy expenditure. This is not an estimate or a target, it is our commercial assurance to you. Turn these guaranteed savings into immediate financial relief. Redirect capital from operational costs toward strategic growth and enhance the financial resilience of your facility. Achieve your sustainability goals as a function of efficiency. Align with the UAE's broader environmental footprint targets, not as an added cost, but as a direct result of optimized operations. Choose the pathway for modern industrial leaders. Move away from massive capital outlays and choose non-invasive enhancement, guaranteed savings, and immediate financial relief. Begin your pathway to guaranteed savings today. Schedule a no-obligation consultation to model your potential savings at SVIZONA HVAC Solutions.